Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I will talk about Program4Pc. Yes, DJ Music Mixture 8.1. This is last updated 2019. So, how you will use for permanently, also I will tell you, and how you will download. So for downloading, just you have to click below the description box. You will be able to directly download this application in a zip file. So definitely with the help of the WinR application, you have to extract, and after extracting, go for installations in your PC or laptops, whatever device you are using. See guys, if you would like to, while you're installing this application, your device should be offline. Of course, I mean that shouldn't be connected with the internet. Now, if you would like to consume or use this application for permanently, then you have to go in a setting. In setting to general, you have to deselect this one. So deselect, not a select, because after installations it will be automatically selected. So you have to deselect both and go for apply. In apply, see recording I have given here. This is the audio file. Wherever after recording after mixing, you would like to store of your song. So this is yours save file too. So for example, desktop I have no. This is your format quality, this is your bitrate, of course here has been given. So this is a, you can go ahead of course, and here this is a good one, and highest in bps. Now this is your original name, date, and these all are thing has been given here, and this is your playback. Now I will go for apply here. How you will select any song? Just you have to click on add and select any song. I have selected already 2 songs, so I will play the first this video here and this video here. So just you have to select a song, and you have to leave in a deck or B deck according to your choice. This is your pitch, my dear. So if you would like to raise the BPM, then go ahead by increasing this point. If you would like to decrease BPM, decreasing BPM means you are doing slow the song. And here also, for example, here this one I have decreased 4 5 approximately according to, of course, the requirement of the any song. Just you can go. Now this is your A point and this is your B point deck. So when you click, then all the information will give you, and what you have. So here this is a format has been given, and here this one just you have to close. This is your sampler here, this is your sampler, and this is your video. So in a video I will adjust here. Now I will start from here, then I will select these ones. Then second part I would like to start from here. Sorry, actually from here, then I will select here. I would like to start then from here, so I will click here, then it will start from here. Now here similar, you have to firstly you have to play the song and then see the vocal point from where to where I start. For example, from here I would like to show part 1. I would like to select this part 2. This is your FX. In FX, if you would like to yes additional add anything that a flanger या echo या distortion या chorus या wah या of course reverb या of course grazzle या of course phaser या vocal या of course backspin. So this is an break. So in a both side of course you can adjust and you can edit according to your choice. This is your 4. If you yes increase that side, yeah, if you press this left side, then yes deck 1 will be fully soundable, and if you yes press right side this one's, then this will be yes fully soundable of B deck. If you click here directly, then it will take automatically according to rhythm of the song. Yes, it will be movable. So here I would like to this is your recording point. If you would like to go in a setting, then here remaining time and this one's auto mix. So if you decrease, then this time from here to here and from here to here it will take less time to move. So just I have selected this is a normally we are using, so 15. Now here see in a video part, just selecting the mix means both song will be visible in a video, but sound yes audio will be from left to right when you press the from. If you press the here, then both audio sound will be also in a recording. So I would like to have the from this one part. So and now here see, suppose here this one's I would like to from left. So now I would like to play the left part. So now here see in a queue I have already selected this is so now from here this one's, and I will now for example as a demo I would like to have a here see sampler. So this is your sampler, my dear. Yes, this is your sampler. When you click on that as a sampler, then if you would like to add the vocal point of here by clicking, of course you can add your vocal, of course your voice in a deck 1 or deck B according to your choice, of course. And because this is your yes mixture master, here do a little high, and this one also you have to, and this one also. Filter don't go for according to the requirement, you can move for filter. Now here for example here I would like to start yes my recording big explosion. So now see, so this is your explosions yes sampler, and this is your kick, this is your hard kick sampler, and this is your siren, this is your noise effect, this is your stretching, and this go for you can adjust according to manually in the setting, and this is your vocal. So you can raise here the sound and yes according to your choice. If you would like to change your the vocals of the song, then clicking by here it will be yes changing automatically by clicking here also. If you would like to change the sound of yes deck B, then by click here, and if you would like to change then by click here. This is your sign up. Sign up, what is that? See, by others you can match the BPM of both. Manually, if you would like to, then increasing decreasing you can match, and yes, directly you would like to, then go for side. Here, what is important to match the BPMs? See, because when you're changing left to right deck, then there will be no, yes, noising additional that you are changing. Just auto will be matched of the, yes, rhythm of the song, whatever that is, yes, vocally, yeah, that is in of course instrumental musics. Now, as a demo here, I would like to show you. Suppose here I would like to play from here. This one I have selected 4, so now I will select 4 and go for playing. Now see guys, here. Just I will pause here and I will decrease more. Now I will see the sound of that. Now see guys, once again I will click on 4 and I would like to show you the sound now. Here just increase this high, mild, and sorry, and this is low. So I will increase more these ones, and this is your mid and this one is your low. So I have increased these ones. Now I would like to show you the sound of this. Now once again I will click here for, now see. Once again I would like to, yes, decrease patch, so I will go in a minus more. Now once again I will select 4 patch and I will increase this one high and this one mid and this one also more. Now once again I would like to have these songs, how the sound is come. Now guys, see once again here I would like to show you. See, here I will go in a mixture, sorry, in a video, and if you would like to only one these ones, then I will select these ones. If you would like to from here this, yes, video you would like to have these ones, and yes, mp3 from, yeah, audio from B deck, then how? Just to go for, yes, video for here from A, and yes, audio from B. Now see, just to go for. Now guys, here see, when you would like to for both here, then you can adjust here, and only one from here. If you select the, yes, if you press especially, yes, left to right, then it will be now functionable for only one, yes, B deck. So now once again I will select a start from here. Now see, do, now from do, now see, in a 3 it has started from, now see. Now by raising this song, yeah, especially playing with these songs, if you would like to, yes, change the deck, then directly you will be able to just go for in a Q select 1 and go for play, and just here select 1, go for play, and when I play then I will click here. Yeah, directly you will, yes, press from right to left, then it will be a functional. So now see here, for example, now 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 this song. Now so guys, now this is all about in this video tutorial. So because while playing these songs, just if you would like to have the recording mode, then just go for record. So when you start, for example here, see this ones I would like to record, so I will click here and I will go for here and go for honor that. Now it has been started to record. So this is way to, of course, how to play this and how to the record. And now see, after recording, just go for a stop, yes, and this will show here. This is in a MP3 mode here. So now see, how did you like this especially video tutorial, and if this video has been benefited to you in any way in installing this application, yeah, in downloading, yeah, how to use, if you have benefited by this video tutorial, then don't forget to like and subscribe, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time, thank you very much.